Hello everyone, welcome to SCI-EASE. We have started the chapter acid, bases and salt, and here I want to tell you about the indicators. What do you mean by this term indicators? Indicators, they are the substances which are used to test acids and bases. Okay? Which are used to test acids and bases. There are three categories of indicators. First one is natural indicator. The indicators which are obtained from nature, they are known as the natural indicators. Example I want to tell you here, that is the litmus solution or paper. This litmus is extracted from the plant known as lichens. Lichen is a plant where algae and fungi, they live in symbiosis. Okay? So, from lichens, litmus is extracted. There are two types of the litmus solutions or the papers. That is the blue litmus paper or blue litmus solution or the red litmus solution or red litmus paper. So, purple liquid or paper that is obtained from lichens, that is the litmus solution or the paper. Okay. Now, second natural indicator, that is turmeric. What do you mean by turmeric? That is haldi, which is there in your kitchen. Turmeric, when any vegetable, curry of any vegetable that fall on your shirt, white shirt, we become so much worried कि खराब हो गया. What we do? We put soap over it, that part, we put soap over it and that will become red. And wash it, rinse it and then put it in a sunlight. What you will observe? That color, that will vanish. Okay? So, the change in the color, that is due to this turmeric only. Turmeric here acts as an indicator. Okay? Soap has base. So, there is one example, another of natural indicator, that is the turmeric. Okay? I have a short regarding this. Okay? You can see that how you can open my playlist and see how this turmeric changes it acts as an indicator. The third one is red cabbage leaves. This is also the natural indicator. Okay? Next one is the synthetic indicator. What do you mean by synthetic indicator? That is the indicators which are made by man. Okay? Which is made by man. I will give you two examples, that is phenolphthalein and methyl orange, which are there in your chemistry labs. Okay? So, here the color also changes. That I will tell you later on in this video only. Third type of the indicators, they are olfactory indicators. The things, they are there in your kitchen only. Olfactory means related to smell, sense of smell. Okay? So, onion is one of the example, vanilla essence and clove. What is clove? It is long. So, I have two solutions. Both are colorless, but in fact, in one of the glass, I have put baking soda, which is a base, and in one of the glass, I have put lemon juice, which is an acid. It contains citric acid. Okay? How can I identify these two solutions? That is by the indicators. Okay, that is by the indicators. So I will tell you by using the litmus paper or the solutions. Okay, there are two types of the litmus paper. One is red litmus paper and another is blue litmus paper. With these litmus papers, how the color changes when I put it in a baking soda solution and when I put these two in the lemon juice. Okay, that I'm going to tell you. Now, I have told you that I have two glasses. In one of the glass, there is acid and in another, there is base. First, I will take up this glass. Okay, the glass which is in my right hand, I will take this. Okay, and I will take both the papers. First, I will take red litmus paper. Okay, and I will dip red litmus paper in this solution. See, is there any change in the color? No. Is there any change in the color? There is no change in color of the red litmus paper. This you can see. Now, I will take blue litmus paper. See, and dip it in this. What will you see? That it will change into red. This is a magic. Okay? This means that the solution, this solution, suppose it is solution A is an acid. So, what will be the color change? If the solution is acid, then what will be the color change? Blue litmus, that changes to red, and red litmus will remain as it is. You know that there is a red color for it means that this is a sign of danger. Acid is also dangerous. Okay, so you can say that acids show red in color. Sample is acid. This means that the solution in glass A, that is an acid. What is red litmus? No change in color. No color change. Okay? No color change. And what will be the blue litmus? Blue litmus will turn red. Blue litmus will turn red. This means acids always show red color. Red. Okay? So, this is the red litmus paper. There will be no color change when it is dipped in the acidic solution, and the blue litmus, when it is put in the acid, it will turn red. Now, I will take another glass. Okay? Another glass which has one of the solution. This is glass B. First, I will put red litmus paper into it. What you will see? That it will turn blue. Red litmus will turn blue. So, bases turn red litmus blue. And when I will put blue litmus to it, there will be no color change. There will be no color change. So, acids turn blue litmus to red and bases turn red litmus to blue. This is the conclusion. So what are the observations here? When we take base, okay? So red litmus, that will change into blue. And will there any change in the blue litmus? No. Blue litmus will remain no color change. You will write here no color change. Okay. So this you are to remember. I have told you that there are some other indicators also. Phenolphthalein is there in the chemistry lab. You can see the bottle of phenolphthalein. It is the colorless solution. Okay? It is the colorless solution. When acid is put on the phenolphthalein, or when few drops of phenolphthalein, they are added to the acidic solution, there will be no color change. Okay? There will be no color change. It will remain colorless. But when to the base solution, some drops of phenolphthalein they are added, they will turn into pink color. Very light pink color. Okay? So this is again the indicator because there is a change in the color. So in the basic solution, when phenolphthalein that is added, it will turn to pink. But when phenolphthalein is added to the acidic solution, there will be no color change. Now next is methyl orange. This is again a synthetic, you can say, indicator. When methyl orange is added to acid, it will turn to red. It will turn to red. Okay? And when methyl orange is added to the basic solution, then it will turn to yellow. Okay? So these are some of the color changes. Now we can take some examples like here. I have taken acid, that is citric acid. Citric acid I have taken. In citric acid, when I will put red litmus paper, then there will be no color change. Okay? When I will put blue litmus to the citric acid solution, then what will be the result? Turn into red. Okay? When phenolphthalein that is added to citric acid, phenolphthalein is added to citric acid. So what will be the result? There will be no color change. Okay? And when methyl orange is added to citric acid, then what will be the result? It will turn to red. Okay? So, one another example that I'm going to take is baking soda solution. Baking soda solution. Okay? So when red litmus that is added to baking soda solution, what will be the result? it will turn into blue. Okay, red will turn into blue. And when blue litmus is added to the baking soda solution, then it will remain no color change. You can write no color change. Okay. And when phenolphthalein, few drops of phenolphthalein, they are added to baking soda, it will turn pink. Okay, so bases turn phenolphthalein to pink. And then when methyl orange, that is added to the baking soda solution, it will turn into yellow. I think the things, they are clear to all of you, that what are the color changes. First, I have taught you about the general change in the color when any acid. You can take vinegar instead of citric acid. You can take vinegar also. What is vinegar? That is CH3. It has acetic acid, CH3COOH. Okay. So what will be the result? There will be no color change when red litmus paper that is added to it. That will turn into blue litmus, that will turn into red. Okay. And there will be no color change when phenolphthalein that is added to vinegar. Okay. And when methyl orange that is added to this vinegar, it will turn to red. So I am giving you one example, that is, suppose you have HCl. Okay, you have HCl. What will be the result? You will write all these in when the sample is HCl. What will be the color change when this is blue litmus is added to it, red litmus is added to it, phenolphthalein is added to it, and methyl orange is added to it? Please write in the comment section. Okay. So with this, our topic about the indicators, that is complete. I will come in the next video with some other topic. Till then, thank you very much.